Last month, I made $22,000 from self-publishing. I have 11 books, I've never run a single ad, and my best book alone has made over $180,000 in less than 3 years. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do if I had to start from zero today in 90 days. Most people in this space think you need to publish as many books as possible, find the right keywords, and run Amazon ads to get any traction. That's what every YouTube channel tells you to do. The reality is that model keeps most publishers broke. You don't need more books, you don't need ads, and you don't need to gamble on keywords. You need one exceptional book, a simple promotion system, and a smart backend. That's it. And I want to be clear, I'm not saying this will definitely work for you. I'm saying this is exactly what I would do if I were in your position today, starting from zero with no audience and no budget. I'm going to break this down into 3 months. And by the end of this video, you'll have a complete plan you can start executing today. Before you write a single word, before you even think about your book, you need to identify a real problem, not a keyword, a problem. Most people in this space open a keyword research tool, find something with decent search volume and low competition, and start building a book around that. And that's exactly why most books go nowhere. You cannot write with authority about a keyword. You can write with authority about a problem you have personally experienced or solved. Those are two completely different things. Think about it. If someone asks you about something you've genuinely struggled with and figure it out, something you know from the inside, you can talk about it for hours. You understand the frustration, you know the dead ends, you know what actually works and why. That knowledge is what makes a book feel real to the person reading it. And a book that feels real is a book that gets reviews, gets shared, and sells consistently. So before anything else, ask yourself, what is a problem I have personally solved? What do people in my life come to me about? What have I helped someone with that actually made a difference? That's your book, not what the data says has low competition. This is exactly why the method I'm going to show you works, because it starts from a place of genuine experience, and that's what makes everything else possible. But finding the right problem is only the beginning. The real question is what you do with it, and that's where most people get it wrong. So you have your problem, now you have 1 month to build the best book you possibly can around it. 1 book, not 2, not a series, 1. I know what you're thinking. 1 month for 1 book. Every other channel tells you to publish as fast as possible, get as many books out there as you can, spread the bet. That's the volume model, and it makes sense on paper. More books, more chances of something sticking. Except that it doesn't work. What it actually does is flood the market with average products that nobody remembers and nobody recommends. The opportunity right now is in the opposite direction, because everyone is publishing fast and publishing cheap. Especially with AI, the bar for what feels premium has never been lower. 1 book that genuinely solves a problem built with care stands out immediately. Here's what I mean by premium. It's not just about writing well, it's about how you deliver the solution. Don't just give people information in text blocks. Think about the format. Maybe it's a workbook with exercises that they actually complete. Maybe it's a high content guide with QR codes that link to external resources, video walkthroughs, or tools that help them apply what they're reading in real time. These things cost you nothing extra to add, but they make your book feel like a $50 product, even if you price it at $15 or $25. And at that price point, with that level of quality, you can charge more than everyone else in your niche and still be the obvious choice. My best book has made over $180,000. It is 1 book. I did not publish a new one every week. I built one thing that was genuinely worth buying, and I let it work. This is what separates publishers who build real income from those who stay stuck. Volume is a bet. Quality is a system. But here's the thing, even the best book in the world makes $0 sitting on Amazon with no one looking at it. And that's exactly what month 2 is about. Your book is live, now you need to get in front of people. And you're going to do that without spending a single dollar. Here's the plan. Every single day for 30 days, you're going to post 3 pieces of content on TikTok about your book. That's it. No ads, no complicated strategy, no agency, just 3 videos a day, every day for 1 month. I know what you're thinking. I don't know how to make videos. I don't want to show my face. I don't have time for this. Let me show you exactly how simple this actually is. You don't need a studio. You don't need editing software. You don't need to appear on camera. All you need is a $15 tripod, your phone, and your book. Put the tripod on a table, point the camera down at the book from above, and press record. Show the cover, show some internal pages, images, show a specific exercise or a section that solves the pain point your book is built around, then put a strong text hook at the top of the screen, something that speaks directly to the person who has that problem. Something like, if you understand English but you can't speak it, you need this book. At the end, put the name of the book and tell them they can find it on Amazon. That's the whole video. Now think about what happens when you do this every day for 30 days. You have 90 pieces of content out there promoting your book for free, passively, forever. After 2 months, it's 180. Every single video you post today is still working for you in 12 months. You are not trying to go viral, you're building a library of content that compounds over time. Start on TikTok, not Instagram. The algorithm on TikTok is more forgiving for new accounts. Your content can reach people who have never heard of you from day one. Before you post your first video, spend 1 day warming up the account, scroll through content in your niche, interact with it, let the algorithm understand what your account is about, then start posting. And you don't need reviews to start selling this way. With the traditional model, reviews are everything because you're relying on Amazon's internal search to find you. With this method, you're bringing people directly to your book from outside Amazon. The reviews will come organically as you start making sales. Don't risk your account trying to speed that up with review services. Amazon flags the reviews that arrive in clusters or read like they were written by AI, and the last thing you want is to put your account in danger before you even started. By the way, if you want to understand exactly how I do all of this, I created a course called Content Marketing for Self-Publishers. It covers everything: TikTok, Instagram, hooks, carousels, what to post, and how to turn views into sales. You don't need it to make this work, but it will get you there a lot faster. Link is in the description. After 30 days of posting, you'll start to see which videos perform and which don't. You'll understand your audience better, you'll have a real data on what pain points resonate, and that knowledge is exactly what you need for month 3. Because month 3 is where most people leave serious money on the table. Most people who reach this point make one of 2 mistakes. Either they stop, they have a book, they have content going, they're making some money and they leave it there, or they do what every other channel tells them to do next: publish another book. Start the whole process again from scratch. I want to show you a third option, one that most people in this space never talk about. By the end of month 2, you have something valuable that most publishers don't have: a real audience. People who found your content, connected with your pain point, bought your book, and got value from it. These people already trust you, and that trust is worth significantly more than the $15 or $20 they paid for your book. Month 3 is about building something on top of that audience, not another book, a high-ticket offer. Here's how it works. Inside your book, you add a lead magnet, a free resource, a bonus, something genuinely useful that relates to the problem your book solves. To get it, the reader enters their email. That email goes to a list you own, not Amazon's list, yours. Amazon keeps every customer who buys through their platform. You get nothing. This is how you take that relationship back. Once you have that list, you use it to promote something more valuable than your book. A video course that goes deeper into the same problem, a coaching program, one-on-one calls, a premium PDF guide that costs hundreds of dollars, whatever format fits the problem and fits you. Let me give you a real example so we are on the same page. A close friend of mine is an English teacher. We worked together to create a book about how to become fluent in English, built exactly the way I've described. He started posting content on TikTok, the book started selling, and inside the book he added a lead magnet, a free resource to help readers improve their fluency faster, and used it to collect emails. Then he started promoting his private lessons through that list, $100 per session. He also added a direct CTA at the end of the book, a 50% discount code on the first 10 lessons plus the first lesson completely free. Think about what that does. Someone bought his book because they have a real painful problem. They understand English, but they can't speak it fluently. The book gave them genuine value. Now he's offering them a way to go even deeper with a real expert at a discounted price. The conversion on that offer is completely different from a cold audience because these people already know his approach works. That's the logic behind this entire month. One book, one specific problem, one specific audience. If the pain point is big enough, and English fluency absolutely is, people will spend significantly more to solve it completely. Your book is not the end of the customer relationship, it's the beginning of it. Now, I personally prefer building video courses over coaching calls. I don't like managing appointments and schedules. It's just not how I want to run my business. But that's a personal choice. The structure works either way. What matters is that you build something on top of the book, something that delivers more value at a higher price, and that you use the email list to promote it to people who are already warm. This is how a $20 book becomes a $200 customer. And this is what most people in this space never even consider. Alright, that's the full 90-day plan. You came into this thinking you needed more books, more keywords, and a budget for ads. What you actually need is one exceptional book, a content system that costs nothing to run, and a backend that turns readers into higher paying customers. That's it. Stop building a book list and start building a real business. I mentioned it earlier in the video, but if you're serious about making month to work, content marketing for self-publishers covers the full system. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. See you the next time.